This is my 2026 Suzuki GSX-8T. And I'm going to show you how to take this fairing off. All right, here are the tools you're going to need. You need a 4mm hex, a screwdriver, or some type of pin pushing tool, and some type of plastic pry. Because here's a fairing. I took off the other side already. So these two separate. The silver part is held in by plastic, just plastic clips here. So you're going to have to use your little plastic pry tool to take these clips off right here, right? These body clips. But then on the inside, there are 3 bigger clips that you're going to have to push with your fingers. You're going to have to get in there and pinch them to pull them apart. Just don't yank it out. And you're going to take this front piece off, and you're going to be left with this, which is going to be held on by 2 4mm hex screws. You're going to take off right there, and then you're going to slide this forward. Some radiator brackets that help hold it in. All right, I can't do this and hold the camera at the same time, but you're going to get in here with your little plastic pry tool. You're going to pry this away, and the little clips are going to come off. Then you're going to reach behind here and get the bigger clips that you're going to have to pinch with your fingers. You're going to have to find them, pinch them with your fingers, and pull it out. Here's the little clips I'm telling you about. Pry it out, just start pulling them apart till you get to the bigger white clips, and then you're going to have to reach behind with your hand and pinch them to get this piece off, because there are the 2 screws behind there that we need to get to pull this entire fairing off. So behind here, there are the 2 black push pins. That's what you need your screwdriver for, or some type of tool to push the pin in to release the clip so you can take the clip out. Here's a little the little clip you got to push in, and there's another one up top. Here's the clip I'm talking about. Everything's black, so it all blends in together. It's hard to see. All right, so I pried the plastic clips off and pinched these bigger clips. Took this off. We're left with this. It's just 2 4mm hex screws. Unscrew that. Push it forward from the radiator. Sorry, it's hard to hold the camera and do all this at the same time. Here are the bolts. Came out those holes. Now, this is actually attached to the radiator right here, and we just have to push the plastic piece forward. And there you got it. All right, now to take off this top piece, there's 2 4mm screws right here. There's a plastic push pin right here. You're going to push the center part in, take that out, and the whole thing's going to lift off. There you got it. Since it's a naked bike, not too much to remove, which makes it kind of easy, except getting your hands behind the plastic fairings to get those clips. If you have big hands, you might need a tool to help you out. Thanks for watching.